The mesmerizing Harlequin flower, a burst of color in your garden. For someone who thrives on vibrant hues and a touch of the unexpected, the Harlequin flower is a revelation. Unlike the predictability of some blooms, this South African wonder explodes with a kaleidoscope of colors, earning its name with a well-deserved flourish. But beyond the initial visual impact, cultivating Harlequin flowers brings a delightful surprise. They're surprisingly easy to care for. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the world of this captivating flower, from planting secrets to uncovering its delightful quirks. Planting Harlequin flowers, a recipe for success. The key to a thriving patch of Harlequin flowers lies in understanding their root system. These beauties are bulbs, much like tulips and daffodils. Their success hinges on proper planting depth. How deep do you plant Harlequin flowers? Here's the golden rule. Plant your Harlequin flower bulbs at a depth 2 to 3 times their own height. In layman's terms, if your bulb is about 2 centimeters tall, aim for a planting hole 4 to 6 centimeters deep. This ensures the roots have enough space to develop while keeping the bulbs safe from harsh weather fluctuations. Where to find Harlequin flower magic? While not as ubiquitous as marigolds or roses, Harlequin flowers are becoming increasingly popular. Here are a few avenues to explore. Local nurseries. Many nurseries, especially those specializing in bulbs and perennials, carry Harlequin flowers. The benefit? You get expert advice on specific varieties and care tips tailored to your region. Online retailers. The internet offers a vast selection of Harlequin flower bulbs. Just be sure to choose reputable vendors with positive customer reviews. Unveiling the Harlequin flower's colorful secrets. The magic of the Harlequin flower lies in its blooms. These star-shaped beauties come in a dazzling array of colors: fiery reds, sunny yellows, calming lavenders, and pristine whites. Often, these colors combine within a single bloom, creating a mesmerizing bicolored or even tricolored effect. The center of the flower boasts a striking splash of gold, often outlined with a contrasting dark ring, further amplifying the flower's theatrical flair. How to care for Harlequin flower? The good news? Harlequin flowers are relatively low maintenance. Here's what they need to thrive. Sunshine. These South African natives crave sunshine. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Well-drained soil. Soggy roots are a recipe for disaster. Ensure your planting site has good drainage to prevent rot. Watering. Water regularly during the growing season, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Feeding. A light feeding with a balanced fertilizer during the growing period can give your blooms an extra boost. How to propagate Harlequin flower? If you want to expand your patch of Harlequin magic, propagation is a breeze. Here's how. Lifting and dividing corms. After the flowers have finished blooming and the foliage dies back, carefully dig up the corms, the underground storage organs. You can then divide these corms, ensuring each section has at least one growing eye. Replant these divisions at the recommended depth to create new plants. Collecting seeds. If you prefer the element of surprise, allow a few flowers to mature and set seed. Once the seed capsules dry and split open, collect the seeds and store them in a cool, dry place for planting next season. Planting partners. Creating a colorful tapestry. Harlequin flowers pair beautifully with other sun-loving plants. Here are a few ideas. Cosmos. These airy, daisy-like flowers come in similar vibrant hues and complement the Harlequin star shape. Salvia. The upright spires of salvia add a touch of structure and contrast beautifully with the Harlequin's whimsical blooms. Gaura. The delicate, butterfly-attracting blooms of Gaura create a soft, romantic counterpoint to the Harlequin's boldness. With their vibrant colors, ease of care, and surprising versatility, Harlequin flowers are a welcome addition to any garden. So, embrace the unexpected, plant some Harlequin magic, and witness the delightful performance unfold in your own backyard.